Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use our Sitemap Analyzer tool. This is a free tool and this can help you decide which CustomGPT plan you should sign up for. Now what this tool does is you input your sitemap into this box here. This tool analyzes the sitemap for you and it gives you an estimated size of the entire sitemap, which can be helpful in deciding which plan you want to sign up for. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do this. So I have a sitemap here for the website of IBM. You're going to want to do this one because it's a lot quicker. This one can take a very long time. So I'm going to click Analyze. As you can see, a few key points we're interested in here. 17,894 pages, that's important. And then the estimated size of all pages is 3.6 million kilobytes approximately, which is 3.6 gigs. And then you can go here and see all of the different pages that were scanned. So now using this, if you want to create a chatbot just simply based off of a sitemap and you're wondering which plan you should sign up for, use this information, 17,894 pages. In that case, if that's my chatbot, the premium plan is going to be what I want to sign up for. Anyways, guys, I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer. And yeah, take care.